It's me. I'm starting my first YouTube channel. Why am I starting this channel? Well, I'll tell you why I'm starting this channel. I'm starting this channel because 3 weeks ago, I passed out and I almost died. It was crazy. And I don't even remember. But here I am, a walking, living, breathing miracle. Glory to God. And I need to talk about it. I need to talk about everything that I'm going through. I need to talk about how I feel. I need to talk about the changes that I made in my life. I guess I should start back at the beginning of the year. At the beginning of the year, they determined that I needed dialysis. So, leaving dialysis one day, I passed out. It took them 15 minutes to bring me back. So, I'm back. Everything's going great. My heart is doing great. They said my heart function had increased. Everything's going great. And then, 3 weeks ago, I jump up out of bed. I guess my pressure was low. I lose balance, pass out, and Lord only knows what happened after that. Robert brought me to, wiped up all the blood, asked me if I wanted to go to the hospital. I said no. But then, it happened again. Same day, a few hours later. And he's like, no, you're going to the hospital. So I said, okay, I'm going to the hospital. They kept me at the hospital. They ran all kinds of tests. Hey there. I'm starting my YouTube channel today. Today is August 18th, 2025. And I've decided it's time to share. It's time to share what's been going on with me. And maybe I can help somebody. You know? Maybe I can help somebody. I think that's what the purpose of this channel is going to be. Just help somebody, anybody. Things that I've been through in life. Things that are upcoming. Things I will go through. Work experiences. Personal life experiences. All in service and helping others. Well, today's a special day because I just started driving. After 3 weeks of sitting sedentary in bed, doing nothing, I just started driving. So I'm proud of myself. Y'all are like, well, why? Why'd you stop driving? I stopped driving because 3 weeks ago, my pressure dropped. I passed out. I fractured my knee, my elbow, my wrist, and had some swelling up in my eye. Some of y'all call it 2 black eyes. I say, yeah, it was 2 black eyes. And so, with that said, I didn't want to drive anywhere. I didn't want to go anywhere. I didn't want to do anything. I think it's better. My mom and Robert said I shouldn't drive for a while. And I should just recoup. And I said, okay. So that was 3 weeks ago. So today is the first day that I'm driving. Woo-hoo! And I'm driving to, well, right now I just finished, but I drove to acupuncture, and now I'm driving home from acupuncture. And believe me, that was one experience. I think acupuncture, it wasn't painful, but you can feel your insides moving, and you can feel your body getting back in balance. And it was so interesting because your body has all this extra energy in it. And when it does, it kind of lets go like a jerk or a movement involuntary. And it starts to release this energy so that you can get back in balance. And it releases the energy so that it reduces the stress. Now, once you reduce the stress, it's good to go, because when you reduce stress and your body stays in balance, you have no choice but to get healthy. And that's what I'm working on, being my healthiest and best self. And it's been difficult. It's been difficult. I got to tell you, back in, this is August, but back in January, I had an episode leaving dialysis, and during that episode, it took them 15 minutes to get my heart working again. So I am so happy that I'm still here. Thank God has some work for me to do. So I'm going to have to get to it and stop playing around. So this is like healthy versus life skills versus what's my next right move. I think that's a combination of what's happening here, my next right move. So given everything, that's some of the things that we'll be talking about. My next right move. Who do I want to work for? Do I want a 9 to 5? Do I want something with flexibility? What do I want? For the first time, I'm asking myself, what do I want? I don't know. I know I don't want this car to jump out in front of me like it just did, but oh well. Let's see what else. I think for right now, we're going to call it. I'll probably talk some more later about it, but just an interesting experience with this acupuncture. And who knows, if it can heal me, I'm all for it. Let's do this. Bye.